Om Namah Shivaya. My name is Michael Hutkins. I'm a yoga teacher and yoga therapist, and welcome to the YouTube channel. So on this channel, I hope to share lots of information with you about yoga, so you can start your own yoga practice, you can learn a bit of yoga philosophy, and hopefully you'll be encouraged to take some live classes along the way. So if you explore the YouTube channel, you'll see there's some 20-minute, 30-minute yoga videos, so yoga can be accessible for you at any time. There are chair yoga videos, exercises just for the eyes, the neck and shoulders, where you can hold a lot of tension, and then you can also explore some of the longer classes. Remember, the yoga practice should always feel good, so no need to force or push anything. If you're unsure, check in a medical professional before trying any of the funkier poses, or you can always write me a message if you like. If you visit my website, you'll see I offer live classes you can take on Zoom, and I interact with the students in the class. I'm also happy to offer private yoga therapy sessions one-on-one. If there's any health concerns you'd like to work on, be it physical, mental, emotional, spiritual health, then yoga therapy can help you as well. So please take time to explore the videos, enjoy the channel, and reach out if you have any questions. Breathe in slowly, breathe out slowly. That's the key to yoga. Have a wonderful day. Om Namah Shivaya.